Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class, 5th unit differential calculus. Okay, so the next section is differentiation of parametric functions. Differentiation of parametric functions. Okay, so if variables x and y are functions of another variable, namely t, then the functions are called parametric function. The variable t is called the parameter of the function. So x is equal to f of t and y equal to g of t means the differentiation must be dy by dx. How will you find? In the sense dy by dt divided by dy by dx by dt. Same as that differentiation of function with another respect to another function means what will you do? That is d of f of x by d of g of x means what will you do? Means du by dx by dv by dx. Okay, now just to go through the definition. When we are doing the problems, we'll get the knowledge. Okay, so we'll move to the problems. Example 5.43. Find dy by dx. First Roman, x equal to 8t square, y is equal to 2at. So t is there. So at once you come to know it is a parametric function. Okay, so listen, second part is there, we will do afterwards. So first Roman, so x equal to 8t square, correct? Then same as that, y equal to 2at. We are going to differentiate this one separately. So with respect to t, so dx by dt equal to, this will come here, is it right? So 2at you will get. Same as that, dy by dt, what will happen? 2a, t will be 1. Okay, so at last dy by dx is equal to, what's the formula we will use here? Is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. That's equal to dy by dt means 2a divided by 2at. So you will get 1 by t. Okay, then second one, x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta. Okay, so what will happen? Same as this one. First you will find dx by d theta with respect to theta. So minus a sin theta. What's the differentiation for cos theta? It's minus sin. So minus. Okay, then same as that, dy by d theta equal to a cos theta. How a cos theta? Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So dy by dx is equal to theta you can use, otherwise t both proper. So dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what's the answer? Equal to a cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. So a will get cancelled. Cos by sin means cot. So minus cot theta. This is the required answer. Understand, students? Next one. (5.44) If x equal to a theta, y is equal to a by theta, then prove dy by dx plus y by x is equal to 0. Okay, so what will happen? Solution, x equal to a theta. So dx by d theta, what's the value? A theta means theta will be 1. So a. Then same as that, y is equal to a by theta. So same as that, theta raised to minus 1, like that want to do. So what will happen? A theta raised to minus 1. So a into minus 1 into theta power minus 1 minus 1. So that's equal to minus a theta power minus 2. That's equal to minus a by theta square. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to dx by d theta into dy by d theta equal to minus a by theta square divided by a. So what will happen? A and a it will go. So that's equal to minus 1 by theta square. Okay, so minus 1 by theta square. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Is it right? So that is equal to minus y by x. Have you got like that? Yes, no? If you have doubt, you can go it and check it. That is y means a by theta divided by y by x minus y by x means a by theta divided by a theta. This will get cancelled. It will go up. That's equal to minus 1 by theta square. So same as that, shall we got the answer? So that is equal to minus 1. So from this you can conclude the answer dy by dx. You can bring this to here. Plus y by x is equal to 0. Okay, understand? So analytic method is there. That's very easy. That also if you need means you can go through. Okay. Next one. Example 5.45. Differentiate x square by 1 plus x square with respect to x square. We need to differentiate with respect to x square. So this is a question based on the second model, that is the differentiation of a function with respect to the another function. Is it right? What they asked till now we have learned with respect to x. Here they asked about to differentiate with respect to x square. Okay, so this will be somewhat different. Okay. Let u equal to, we'll consider that x square divided by 1 plus x square. Then same as that, v equal to x square. So du by dx. So u by v form. So u by v form, how we will do? U by v form, u v into d by dx of u minus v into u into d by dx of v divided by v square. We will use this. So what will happen? 1 plus x square into differentiation of numerator is 2x minus numerator is x square, differentiation of denominator is 2x divided by v square, that is 1 plus x square the whole square. So simplify, multiply inside. So 2x plus 2x cube minus 2x cube divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. So this will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. This is a value for du by dx. Same as that here also, dv by dx 2x, correct? So what's the formula? Du by dv equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Substitute the value. 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square divided by 2x. So this will get cancelled. What's the balance? 1 by 1 plus x square the whole square. This is the required answer. Understand? Okay. So take down the exercise. So in exercise, I will give one homework for you. Exercise first Roman, first part alone you can do. Okay, so that's very easy, you can do. So exercise first Roman, first problem you need to do. Remaining we will do now. Exercise 5.8. Find dy by dx for the following. First part homework. Please do the mark on the homework. Exercise 5.8. First Roman, first problem homework. Remaining we will do it now. Take down second part onwards. We will do x equal to log t, y equal to sin t. So what will happen? X is equal to log t, y is equal to sin t. So what's the differentiation of log? 1 by x. So dx by dt, how much you will get? 1 by t. Here it is in t, is it right? Then dy by dt, how much you will get? Sin for the differentiation is cos t. So now find dy by dx is equal to, dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Substitute the value cos t divided by 1 by t. If you bring to the numerator, t cos t, that's the answer. Then third one, x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. What will we do? We will differentiate with respect to theta. Is it right? Differentiate with respect to theta. Okay, now differentiate dx by d theta equal to a into 3 cos square theta uv form. Okay, so how will you differentiate? A into differentiation of this one, that is 3 cos square theta. Then what will you do? D by d theta of cos theta. Is it right? D by d theta of cos theta. Okay, so what will you get? 3a cos square theta. Differentiation of this one is sin theta. Same as that. dy by d theta equal to a into 3 sin square theta into d by d theta of sin theta. So what will you get? 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Okay, now substitute there, you will get the answer. So what's the formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. So 1 cos square cos will get cancelled, 3a cancelled, sin square sin. So what's the balance? Minus tan theta. It's the required answer. Okay, then next one, x equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate dx by d theta equal to a into theta for 1, is it right? 1 minus cos theta. We will write this is like this, that is a into 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So here 1 minus square is missing, so 2 sin theta by 2, sin square theta by 2. Okay, then this is same as that dy by d theta equal to a into sin theta. This also you can write like this, that is a into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. If you need everything, you take it as hint, that is sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to, this is one formula, 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. If you need, you can take it as hint. Okay, so now substitute dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substitute all the value ma. 2a sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2a sin square theta by 2. Cancel 2a, 1 sin theta, this one cancel. Cos theta by 2 means cot theta by 2. This is the required answer. Okay, then second Roman, differentiate sin cube x with respective cos cube x. Okay, so let us consider, let u equal to sin cube x, v equal to cos cube x. Okay, this one. Okay, now find du by dx ma. What will happen? U, so 3 into sin square x, then this 4 also differentiation you need to write. So d by dx of sin x also you need to write. So what will you get? 3 sin square x cos x. Okay, same as that. dv by is equal to 3 cos square x into d by dx of cos x. So what will you get? Minus 3 cos square x. This one minus sin x. Is it right? Sin x. Now substitute du by dx is equal to, sorry, du by dv equal to du by plus divided by dv by dx. Substitute equal to 3 sin square x cos x divided by minus 3 sin x cos square x. Cancel. So what's the balance? Minus sin x by cos x, that's equal to, okay, only one problem left there. We will complete that now. Differentiate sin square x with respect to x square. Okay, so same as this we have completed one problem. Let u is equal to sin square x and b equal to x square. So du by dx, what will happen? 2 sin x into d by dx of this one differentiation. Understand all of you? So 2 sin x, again sin for the differentiation you need to find. So totally cos will also will come. So 2 sin x, dv by dx of sin x means cos x. Same as that. dv by dx means 2x. Now substitute du by dv equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx equal to 2 sin x cos x divided by 2x. So 2 sin x cos x is same as sin 2x. This all the formulas you have learned in trigonometry. So 2 sin x cos x is same as sin 2x. Okay, so everything same as example only, so easily you need to do. Because of that I am doing all the exercise problems. Please concentrate and be very serious and maintain your classwork neatly. Only one small problem I gave to try, just you try that. Okay, then 5.8 everything over. Only one exercise is left. Okay, 5.9. so small exercise. So 5.9 also very small exercise, that is successive differentiation. So in that successive differentiation we are going to do 2 problems in example and 6 problems are there in exercise. So we will do that in our next class. So before that, your work is please note down all the deleted portion and take your classwork. Those who are completed all the classworks, please take down, and whatever is a deleted portion, please cut down everything. Okay, so to avoid your confusion, please cut down everything. So this chapter onwards, this 2 classes before itself I say, so no problem. Now according to the deleted portion, that is reduced syllabus, I am teaching. So you can omit and you can continue your classwork. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So one thing is very important for this chapter. We need to learn all the standard results. First, one day I said there are some standard results are there in your book. I think in your book there will be page number difference. 21 standard results are there. Some standard result formula like that. 21 formulas are given that you need to by heart very thoroughly. Afterwards, addition rule, chain rule, product rule, subtraction rule, quotient rule, scalar rule, everything you need to learn very thoroughly. Then only this unit will be very easy for you. Okay, if you don't know the differentiation of sin x and cos x, we can't do this problem. Okay, so we need to learn all the differentiation. Don't think this will be helpful for this year alone. So next year 2 chapters fully differential calculus is there. So this year this one is fundamental, so you need to learn this every formulas very thoroughly. Okay, so next year book we won't see this formulas and all. So because of that, now itself concentrate it and learn all the formulas very thoroughly in this differentiation. After learning the standard results, you move to the problems, then only it will be very easy for you, otherwise you will feel very hard. Okay, so today we have completed parametric function. In that also 2 problems and 2 formulas I have taught you. So that is parametric function and with respect to another function. So how we will differentiate, we have learned. Differentiation of parametric function means dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Differentiation of function with respect to another function means d of f of x divided by d of g of x means du by dx by dv by dx. Okay, so I hope you all of you got good idea. So only one section is left in this, so we will do that in our next class. Okay students, be safe, please do all your works regularly. We will meet in the next class.